is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northern Clay County in northeastern Florida, south central Duval County in northeastern Florida until 5:45 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakley Plantation, 47 miles northeast of Middleburg, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orange Park, Green Cove Springs, Middleburg, Mandarin, Fruit Cove, Fleming Island, Bay Meadows, Ortega, Oakleaf Plantation, and Bel Air Meadowbrook Terrace. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Duval, and St. Johns.